Buying the wrong air fryer can waste both your money and your time. That's why we've done all the research for you. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 air fryers that deliver crispy, delicious meals with less oil, faster cooking times, and features that make everyday cooking easier. Looking for the perfect air fryer in 2026? With so many options available, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best air fryers based on cooking performance, capacity, ease of use, smart features, and overall value for money. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your entire family, there's an air fryer here that fits your needs and budget. Stay until the end to discover which model takes the #1 spot. You might be surprised. Let's get started. Number 5. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL is an 8-quart dual-basket air fryer designed for versatility and convenience. While I haven't personally used this product, its features suggest it's built to simplify everyday cooking with multiple cooking modes and a spacious design. The air fryer offers 8 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Its sync cook and sync finish features allow both baskets to finish cooking at the same time, making it easy to prepare a complete meal. The Even Crisp technology is designed to deliver crispy, golden results using up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. One standout feature is the Clearcook viewing window, which lets you monitor your food without opening the basket, helping maintain cooking temperature. The intuitive touchscreen display keeps you informed throughout the cooking process, making operation simple even for beginners. With its 8-quart capacity, this model is ideal for larger households or anyone preparing meals for guests. Cleanup is also convenient thanks to the dishwasher-safe baskets and trays. Number 4. The Ninja DZ201 Dualzone Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ201 features a generous 8-quart capacity split into 2 independent 4-quart baskets. This means you can cook 2 different foods using different temperatures and cooking times simultaneously. It's a great option for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants faster, more convenient cooking. One of its standout features is Dualzone technology. With Smart Finish, both baskets complete cooking at the same time, even with different settings. Match Cook lets you copy the same settings to both baskets for larger meals with a single touch. The air fryer offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, making it much more than a basic air fryer. It can prepare everything from crispy snacks to roasted vegetables and even homemade dried fruit. Cleanup is also simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. Plus, Ninja states that air frying can reduce fat by up to 75% compared to traditional deep frying, making it a healthier cooking option for many meals. Number 3. The Nuwave Brio Plus. The Nuwave Brio Plus is a 6-in-1 air fryer with a spacious 7-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or meal prep. It combines air frying, roasting, baking, toasting, dehydrating, and reheating into one sleek appliance while offering 100 smart presets to simplify everyday cooking. One of its biggest highlights is the 360-degree all-metal interior and PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket. Since your food never touches heated plastic, it helps reduce unwanted odors and offers extra peace of mind for health-conscious cooks. Performance is another strong point. Turbo convection technology, paired with a powerful 9-blade fan, circulates heat evenly to create crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted vegetables, and baked treats with little to no oil. The adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and real-time controls let you fine-tune recipes without interrupting the cooking process. The full-touch digital display feels modern and easy to navigate, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Safety features like automatic shutoff and quiet operation add even more convenience for everyday use. Number 2. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze combines speed, versatility, and convenience in a compact design. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken, baked desserts, or dehydrated snacks, this air fryer is designed to make everyday cooking easier and healthier. One of its standout features is TurboBlaze technology, which delivers fast and even cooking. Combined with the 5-speed fan system, it helps create crispy exteriors while keeping food tender and juicy inside. The wide 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range also gives you excellent control for everything from proofing dough to high-heat roasting. This model offers 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. With its 6-quart capacity, it's large enough for family meals while maintaining a space-saving footprint on your countertop. Another highlight is the premium ceramic-coated basket, designed for durability and easier cleanup. If you enjoy trying new recipes, the Cosori app includes 100+ recipes with nutrition information like calories, protein, carbs, and fat, making meal planning much easier. Perhaps the biggest advantage is healthier cooking. Cosori claims you can enjoy crispy, delicious meals with up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. The customizable preheat option also lets you choose between maximum performance or quicker meal preparation. Number 1. The Ninja DZ550 Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ550 is a 10-quart, 6-in-1 air fryer designed for busy families and home cooks. It features 2 independent cooking baskets, allowing you to prepare different foods with different settings simultaneously. One of its standout features is the built-in Smart Cook thermometer, which helps monitor internal food temperature for accurate cooking without constant checking. This model offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The Smart Finish feature ensures both baskets finish cooking at the same time, while Match Cook quickly copies settings from one basket to the other for larger meals. The wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for everything from dehydrating fruit to roasting chicken. Ninja also claims it can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, making weeknight dinners quicker and more convenient. Cleaning is simple thanks to the PFAS-free non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. The large 10-quart capacity is ideal for families or anyone preparing multiple dishes at once. Thanks for watching, Best Zone. We hope this review helped you choose the right air fryer for your needs. Whether you prefer the Ninja DZ550, Cosori TurboBlaze 6 quarts, Nuwave Brio Plus, Ninja DZ201, or the Instant Pot Vortex Plus, the best choice depends on your cooking style and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Best Zone, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Tell us in the comments, which air fryer would you choose? Thanks again for being part of the Best Zone family. See you in the next video.